Hey there friends, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. So today's video is going to be super fun. We are going to set our washi, shop our stash, and get ready for the month of March. This is so fun because I get to go through my washi, pick out color palettes that I haven't used or if I'm in the mood for them. So I am ready for spring. So if you guys want to see me set up my washi stash for the month of March, then keep on watching. Hey there friends, welcome to the channel. I'm Sarah. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope that this inspires you and that you will consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Okay, so let's get started. So what I do is I shop my stash and I try to kind of prep my washi and stickers. That way I'm not just like looking for things and not know what to plan with or build my spread with. So I pick sticker books and just washi that I go by either the theme or the color palette, and it's just a great way to go through my things and rotate them. So we're going to be setting up my washi tower here. It's what sits on my desk. I got this at Target in the dollar spot area a long time ago, but I'm sure you can find something like this maybe at Home Goods, or maybe around this time of year they have already put out their spring decor and things. So definitely check for something like this. That way you can have something on your desk. That way when you go to plan, you have a selection already set up for you. So this is colors that I picked for February, and so we're gonna kind of swap this out. And stay tuned and subscribe because I'll show you what sticker books I plan on using for the month of March as well. I did get to use a lot of these beautiful washis. A lot of my stash is Simply Gilded, and if you haven't shopped from her before, if you went to Go Wild, you probably heard of her, but I do have a coupon code down below. You could save $5 off your first order. And yeah, so I have a lot of the beautiful pinks and reds, foiling. So I'm going to take all those out. I'm a little behind on this, but I really wanted to swap this out so I can just be inspired more, motivated more to, you know, plan for spring. So I think I'm gonna save those two in there because they're kind of the color palettes that I'm going with, and take all these purples and reds out. I think I'm gonna keep this pink. It's like a two-tone washi because I do have the other set that goes with this. So we're gonna take that one out. I also have like just washi packs that are from different designers that maybe Joann's or Michael's has collabed with. Like I think I've bought some from Amy Tangerine that she's done with Joann. I have a washi bundle that I got from my husband at Christmas time. It was a really great colorful one. I do have that in my Amazon storefront if you guys want to check that out. But yeah, a lot of it's got cute little illustrations. Live, Love, Posh. I have Planny Thing. I may keep these because, again, I'm going for like warmer tones, lots of greens, lots of blues, oranges, like really bright, fun colors. And that's kind of what I need right now because I think everybody is over this long winter. Did not get a chance to use these crystal ones from Planny Thing. These are really pretty, and maybe I can pull these back out in September. Ooh, I have this one by Simply Gilded. By the way, she still has this one on the site. I think it's under subscription extras. It came in a summer, like seasonal summer box that she did. She sometimes curates these seasonal boxes, and she always has like extras you can buy. So if you're doing Go Wild memory keeping, this would be a great one to snag up. Let's see. I may keep this cupcake one. It's like a little birthday kawaii one. I think this is Sweet. No, not Sweet Kawaii Designs. That's Shine Sticker Studio, which is this one right here. I may keep that one. I have this one that kind of looks like Erin Condren's Layers, but it's not. I think this is part of a designer from Joann's. I have this cute Disney one. This is from Daiso, so I may want to keep that one. I have this rainbow foiled one. It's like a gradient. This is Shine Sticker Studio. This is Simply Gilded. I did pull the other one that goes to this, so I'm going to keep that. I have some pinks here, boba, donuts. I didn't get a chance to use these, but maybe another time. I'm going to put these back. I have a Simply Gilded one, some balloons. I'm going to keep that one. Oh, I have this one with like little stars, shooting stars, multicolored from Simply Gilded. I love that. I'll have this cute banana one, but I'm going to put these two back. Okay, I didn't get a chance to use some of these except for the lips. I think I used that one, but we're going to put those colors back. Then I have this one. This was part of, again, I think it was in this collection with like a summer set that she did. It says cute little seagulls. I'm going to put this one back and save it for the summertime. I have this cute palette with like some neutral tones and reds and hearts. I didn't get a chance to use those. And then lastly, I have these fun ones, which I could actually leave in here. So I'm gonna set these to the side to see if those will fit, because I have these right here that I went through already and pulled. A lot of it is Simply Gilded again. I have a lot of hers. So I'll show you those first. A lot of it's the Easter stuff that came out, I think last year. So I have like this whole stack here. So cute. It's like the Stardust she does. It has plaid. We have some bunnies, Easter dinner, some springy eggs. I haven't bought any new stuff from her for Easter. I'm hoping to see if she's going to put anything out for Easter, if we'll get it in time. Not really sure. She just put out a cute Holland inspired, I hope it's a subscription box. I'm pretty sure they're subscription box. I know she like did something different, but now she's still doing them. So I do like that one. I may end up getting that one. I just wanted to see if she was going to put anything else out. So we shall see. And here's this one. Maybe she'll have extras, because I think these are from previous. I don't know if this is actually last year or this was like an extra that I picked up that she had backstocked. Here's that two-tone set that I have. It has like a pearlescent coating over it, but it's two-tone, so it's got like the same colored bows on each roll. It's really pretty, so I want it. That's very springy to me. I have this track one. My daughter's in track for the spring. Of course, I don't use all of these, but again, it just helps me to set up a theme and what I want to pick, so I don't have to look through all my washi. And I do like using washi in my spreads. And I think the rest of this, oh, here's a good Simply Gilded one, the stripes. I think the rest of this is ERIN CONDREN, Play Anything, maybe some from Daiso. So from ERIN CONDREN, I'm sure you guys have seen these, if you've used ERIN CONDREN. Some of it is kind of older, so like I think these two designs are older, but I think those are pretty. Then I have the one that they did with Wonton a Million. I do have stickers that go with that washi, and then I have a little, the child, a little Star Wars, the green one, and that grid is theirs. Oh, here's the other Star Wars. It's orange with like the Falcon. And then I have this cute kitty one. Again, these are from Daiso. This is from Planner Kate's shop. So it's just a variety of washi. Again, Daiso has a lot of Disney washi, so I have this Toy Story one that I think would be fun to use as a spread. I try to go to Disney to use up our passes. And it's better for us, like during the weekday. I have one from, well, these are headers from Shine Sticker Studio. I always want to say Sweet Kawaii Design. So I have these. Some Happy Planner in here. Live Love Posh, Planny Thing. Her cute bikes. I think that's pretty for spring. Again, this was in a pack that I had. It has some foiled bunnies on it. Florals. It's always good to have like patterns too to mix. But these are the color palettes that I'm working with. A lot of fun colors. Okay. It's not pretty, but I'll fix that in a minute. I think I'm going to put these back. I'm not going to put those on there. Starting fresh. The last thing I'm going to put on here is I just got these from Simply Gilded. You guys will see this in a plan with me type of slash haul, but it's pretty St. Patrick's inspired, except for this one with the jasper heads and the floral petals. This is so cute. Look how cute that is. I love it. So yeah, once I see if anything's coming out for the spring, I don't know, she may be past that already and be ready for summer stuff. I'm not really sure. It's great washi. Highly recommend it. I have so much washi. I know there's other favorites out there. I have so much that I'm nervous to try something else. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put these in here. Since I just got these, they're so pretty. Maybe I'll take the birthday ones out. And I'll put, well, I want to take that one out because I already used it, but okay. That way I can put everything back in here, keep it organized. I do need to go through my washi though and figure out what I'm using and what I'm not using anymore. I did get another, I'll show you guys, because stay tuned. I have been trying to film in between some reorganizations in my office, so I'll have to show you guys those videos. But if you're new to the planner world and you want to start a new washi collection, I recommend getting one of these at Michael's, and I think you can buy them online too. But they have done a little bit of a revamp of this. I've seen in my stores, I don't know if any other stores, but the knobs are different. They're squares, and I really wanted to keep it the same. So I have one of these already on my bookshelf, so I'm gonna put this one on the other side to start reorganizing washi. But it's a 3-tiered drawer, and it has these little gummy stoppers on the bottom, which are nicer. They're not the kind that you can remove. It's built in to this unit, so it makes it easier and they don't shift. So I like that. Mine is a little cracked here, but that's okay. It was the last one they had, and I wanted to keep it the same. No one's gonna see that. So it's just a little tray, and you can put other things in here to organize. Pens especially will fit in here very nicely. And I was thinking about that too, because I love the look of that with clear cases. But I'm going to try to do washi first. But stay tuned for a video. I'm going to go through and reorganize my washi, the ones that I'm currently not using. So, alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed this video on how I set up my planner stash for the month of March. I probably won't change this out in April or May until it gets closer to summer, because I can pretty much stretch this out, I think. So that's what I do. I normally either do it by season or by the month if it's short of a season. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up, and I hope that you'll stick around So I will see you all in my next video. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.